Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We have just taken in this beautiful 2017 on a 17 plate, one owner MX-5 2-litre RF Sport Nav, finished in Sol Red. The car's done just a shade over 2,000 miles. It's like new. Wonderful colour, wonderful spec. With these, it's powered by the 2-litre 160 PS engine, so there's plenty of power there, plenty of responsiveness. Great spec, comes with privacy glass, keyless entry. This particular car has parking sensors at the rear and it's in superb condition. Remote boot release. These here, you'll see the carpet mats that the owner's left in there. The tyre pressure, tyre repair kit is there. Beautiful condition car. Great spec. Rear wheel drive sports car in the traditional sense of the word, giving superb performance and great fuel economy, as you'd expect with this vehicle. Not that I can see any marks on this vehicle whatsoever. Been through the workshop, just going to undergo a fresh MOT. It would have had a 101 point used car check, encapsulating everything. We tend to look at tyre tread depths, brake pads, brake disc wear, all the vehicle's electrical systems, everything is gone through. Lovely car. Just take you through it. Inside here, complemented by a beautiful black leather interior stitched in red. That stitching extends to the dashboard panel that you can see there. The gear lever gaiter, which is leather, and the handbrake lever, all very discreet, and on the interior inside of the steering wheel rim. Beautiful spec. Goes across to the door cards. This car features electric windows, electric door mirrors. It's got a BOSE sound system with integrated speakers in the headrests there. Sitting inside the car, you've got lane departure warning, tyre pressure monitoring and traction control. We'll just start the engine and clarify the mileage. Nice little welcome screen there. 2,389 miles. On the left hand side you've got the temperature gauge. Underneath it you have the fuel gauge. Centre you've got the tachometer, rev counter, and to the right hand side you've got the speedometer. Multi-function steering wheel here. Left hand side you are controlling your integrated Bluetooth with voice control and the volume controls for the stereo. Right hand side cruise control, and just beyond that you've got automatic wipers with variable speed on the intermittent and automatic lights. Very clear instrumentation, as I say, and this little info button here on the left hand side of the steering wheel, if I press this you'll see that it's the trip meter and range left in the tank before it runs out of petrol, 57 miles. 38.4 as an average. That is subjective. That's how the car, you'll get more than that or less than that, dependent on how the car is driven. We can reset that as well. It's got trip A and B, and it's got this wonderful little fuel computer. That's the steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel, stalks, etc. In the center here, with this spec of car, you're getting satellite navigation. We'll just go back to the home screen actually. This is all touch screen when the vehicle's stationary, so you know you're into the FM radio. You can go to DAB. As soon as you're on the move though, this will, the touchscreen disables itself and you have to control everything by this central navigation wheel, which is actually an excellent safety feature. Keep your eye on the road as opposed to anything else. Looking at this home screen, You've got telephone you can program in, satellite navigation. It's a simple navigation, works really well, easy to navigate. Obviously find address, town or postcode. You can set up your home, look at favourites, history, where you've been, etc. Navigation information, help nearby, GPS, etc. Traffic. Very useful. Moving back to the home screen, you've got settings here, so you can individualize this car. You can personalize this car to suit your individual taste, is what I meant to say. Display we're looking at, you can set it between auto, day and night modes, the brightness, the contrast. Safety, lane departure warning system, an excellent system. Should you be on the motorway or an A road and you drift out the lane, the car will warn you of that. So great safety feature. You can set up the parameters of that warning, the types of warning you get, a rumble or a beep, and the associated volume with those types of warning. Sound here, BOSE Sound System, as I said. It features BOSE Audio Pilot, which will adjust the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. You've got bass, treble, fader, balance. Clock 12 or 24 hour, and you can set your time zone. Vehicle, you can go into things like door locks, for example. You can adjust your keyless lock beep volume. Your walk-away locking, that is if you walk away from the car with a key fob in your pocket, the car will lock. You can choose to have that or not. You can actually adjust your indicator volume, whether you choose to have a 3-flash indicator or not, high or low on the indicator volume. And lights, you can adjust things like your interior lights, door open and door closed, your adaptive front lighting system, lights on morning volume, high, low, off, coming home light, leaving home light, and auto headlights on. You can adjust the sensitivity of those auto headlights. Really useful. Coming back to it, devices, network or Bluetooth, temperature, you can read that in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and the distance in miles or kilometers. Back to the home screen, you have DAB radio. Obviously there's the sound, the signal indoors probably isn't that great at the moment, but if we go back to FM radio, sorry, we'll try and get, yes, it's updated this now. Try and give you some ideas to the type of, you've got all these radio stations here on DAB. There we are, it's come back into life. Virgin Radio, and it'll tell us in a minute who's playing what, etc. Star, you can set it up as a favorite should you wish. Favorite added. Traffic announcements, and within the radio you've got the sound adjustments which I showed you earlier. Back to it, home screen, applications, fuel economy monitor, basic in the very sense of the word, vehicle status monitor, maintenance. We need to finish off servicing this vehicle, so all that will come up, oil at 100%, no warnings there. Wonderful car, wonderful cars to drive, these as well. Down here, just turn on the lights so we get a bit of a better view. Automatic climate control, you just press everything to take everything to automatic. It will adjust the fan speeds, the direction of the air according to internal temperature of the vehicle. Heating and air conditioning in its simplest form, and easy as well. Heated rear window, reset button for the air conditioning. You can of course override all of this by turning these directional controls. Down beneath here, heated seats, 3-stage heated seats, twin USB socket tree and electric roof. And as I said to you earlier, the main navigation wheel here. Auto dimming rear view mirror, very useful at night. Drivers coming up behind you with headlamps on full, the mirror dims, great feature. And this electric roof, which I'm going to show you. Even the hook moves electrically out of its socket, but look, there you go. Beautifully engineered and simple to operate. Let's go around and have a look at the external of the car with the roof down. As I said, it will be finished off in the workshop with its MOT servicing. It's just done a shade over 2,000 miles. It's like a new car. Bonnet is unmarked. Look at it with the roof down, absolutely fabulous. The terrific thing about these RFs, as they call it, with the electric roof section, is the way they drive. It's the world's best-selling roadster for a reason, because the road holding, handling, braking performance are second to none, and it's a wonderful sports car, very reliable, beautifully finished as well. And in terms of road holding and handling, it puts cars that cost twice as much to shame, really. But there it is, the Mazda MX-5 2-litre RF Sport Nav, top of the range at that year. Finished in Sol Red with black leather, done just over 2,000 miles. Will come with 12 months Mazda approved warranty. If you want to find out any more about this vehicle or any of the other used cars we have, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching.